Well, hi there, my baby Piper. You look pretty comfortable there in your spa. Yeah, just look at that. What a sweet girl. You looking at, huh? You looking at me now? Hi there. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet one. Oh, I just love your little face. You're such a pretty girl, aren't you? You're such a pretty girl. You're just having a little relaxed time right now in the spa? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, doing the neck exercises. Yeah, looks like you're having a pretty good spa time. Oh, look at that. She can do her neck over there so far and look behind her and see what's going on. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Maybe you should take a nap, huh? Maybe you should. Okay, I'll leave you to that, okay?